With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, our question is a school wants to award its student for their achievement in sports, music and literature with a total cash prize of 6,000. 3 times the prize money for literature added to the prize money given for sports is equal to 11,000. The prize money given for sports and literature together is equal to 2 times the prize money given for music. If X, Y, Z represent the prize money given for sports, music and literature respectively, then using A and adjoint of A, calculate the prize money for sports. So here we are given that we have to assume that the prize money for sports is X, for music is Y, and for literature it is Z here. Okay, so we have been given here 3 statements, 1, 2 and 3. So we can make 3 equations from these. So if we look at the first statement, we are given that the sum of these 3 is equal to 6,000. That means our first equation will be X plus Y plus Z is equal to 6,000, equation 1. Now for statement 2, we can see 3 times the prize money for literature added to prize money given for sports is equal to 11,000. That means 3 times literature, that is 3Z, plus sports, that is plus X, is equal to 11,000. This is our equation 2. And for third equation, we have prize money given for sports and literature. That means X plus Z is equal to twice of Y, or if we take Y here, we have X minus 2Y plus Z is equal to 0. This is our third equation. So we have to solve these 3 equations to get the value of X, Y and Z. For this, if we take the coefficient of these as A, we know the formula, that is AX is equal to B, where A function, we can write this as in matrix as A is 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 3, 1, minus 2, 1. And the X matrix is X, Y, Z, and the matrix B is 6,000, 11,000 and 0. This is our B matrix. So if we look at this, AX is equal to B. If we take A to the other side, we have to find here X. So our X will be A inverse B. That means all we have to find here is A inverse. If we find A inverse, we can find out our X value. So for A inverse, we have to first find the cofactor of A and then adjoint of A, because we know that the formula for A inverse is equal to adjoint of A divided by mod of A. This is the formula for A inverse. So we have to find adjoint of A, for which we have to find cofactor matrix. So for cofactor of A, we can write this as, here are cofactor of A. For the first, that is A11, we have 0 into 1 is 0, minus of minus 2 into 3, that is minus minus plus. So we have 6 here. Now for A12, it will be a negative value. Okay, so we have to write minus first, and then 1 into 1 is 1, minus 3 into 1 is 3. So 1 minus 3 is minus 2, and because it is minus, so it will be plus 2. Now for A13, we have 1 into minus 2 is minus 2, minus 0. So we have minus 2 here. Now same for A21, it will again be a, at the end we have to multiply it with minus 1. So we have 1 into 1 is 1, minus 1 into minus 2, that is 1 plus 2 is 3. So this will be minus of 3. Now if we check for A22, we have 1 into 1 is 1, minus 1 into 1 is 1. So we have 0 here. Now for the A23, this will again be multiplied by minus 1. So we have 1 into minus 2 is minus 2. Minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. So this will be plus 3. Now for A31, this will be 1 into 3 is 3 minus 0 is, so this will be 3. Now for A32, it will be minus 1 by multiplied. So it will be 1 into 3 is 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. So it will be minus 2. And for the last, that is A33, we have 1 into 0 is 0. Minus 1 is minus 1. So this is the cofactor matrix. Now if we have to find the adjoint of this, we have to transpose this matrix. So our adjoint matrix or adjoint of A will be equal to, the first row will be first column, that is 6, 2, minus 2. Similarly, second row will be second column, that is minus 3, 0, 3. And our third row will be third column, that is 3, minus 2 and minus of. Okay, so this will be the adjoint of A matrix. Now we also need the determinant of A. So to find the determinant of A, we can expand this through our first row, that is 1 into 0 minus minus plus 6 minus 1 into 1. 1 into 1 is 1 minus 3 plus 1 into minus 2 minus 0. So it will be 6 plus 2 minus 2, and this cancels out. So our mod of A comes out to be plus 6. That is, our determinant comes out to be plus 6. Now here all we have to do is find our A inverse, that is adjoint of A divided by determinant of A, that will be 1 by 6 times 6, 2, minus 2, minus 3, 0, 3, 3, minus 2, minus 1. And if we take the 6 inside, we have our A inverse as 6 divided by 6 is 1, minus 3 divided by 6 is minus 1 by 2, 3 divided by 6 is 1 by 2. Similarly, 2 divided by 6 is 1 by 3. We have 0 here, minus 1 by 3 here. Now again minus 1 by 3 here, 1 by 2 here, and minus 1 by 6 here. Okay, this is our A inverse. Now if we put this value of A inverse in our equation, that is, our equation was x is equal to A inverse B, or we have x, y, z is equal to A inverse, that is 1, minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 0, minus 1 by 3, minus 1 by 3, 1 by 2, and minus 1 by 6, multiplied by B. B is 6,000, 11,000 and 0. So now we can find we have to find the value of x only, because in the question we have to ask to find the x value only. So if we multiply first row of this with the column, we will get our x as 1 multiplied by 6,000 plus minus 1 by 2 multiplied by 11,000 plus 1 by 2 multiplied by 0. So here we have x is equal to 6,000 plus this gives us 5,500. So we have minus of 5,500, or we can write this as 6,000 minus 5,500. So from here x comes out to be 500. That means the prize money for sports comes out to be rupees 500. And if we check our options, the correct option will be option B, that is x is equal to 500. And this is our final answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.